An employer or licensing agency may ask for your employment history, and you might also need it for benefits like Social Security. But if you've worked many jobs, especially short-term, seasonal, or temporary ones, it can be tough to remember all the details. Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through practical ways to track down your employment history and fill in the gaps. Using Social Security records. Get a form to request earnings information by downloading it online, where you can fill it out on your computer and print it, or print a blank copy to complete by hand. If you prefer, you can also request a paper form directly from your nearest Social Security office. Fill out the form with your name, Social Security number, date of birth, and the years you want an itemized earnings statement, which lists your employers and their addresses. If completing by hand, use blue or black ink only. Mail the completed form to the SSA with the fee, $136 for a non-certified statement or $192 for a certified one. A certified copy is only needed if specifically requested. Pay by credit card, check, or money order. Credit card details go in the form's last section. Wait up to 120 days for your report. If it doesn't arrive, contact the SSA for a status update. Using IRS records. Check your W-2s or past tax returns for employer names, addresses, and dates of employment. If you used online tax services, you can often log in to review or download old returns. Get IRS Form 4506 to request your tax returns, which list employer names and addresses for your employment history. Fill out Form 4506 by entering your name, Social Security number, current and past addresses, and the tax years you need. You can complete it on your computer or by hand using blue or black ink. Include your joint filer's details if applicable. Calculate the fee by multiplying $50 by the number of returns requested. Pay by check or money order. For example, 5 years of returns costs $250. Mail Form 4506 with your fee to the IRS address listed for your state on the form. If you lived in 2 states, use the address for the state of your most recent return. Wait to receive your returns. The IRS may take up to 75 days to process your request. Using credit reports. Understand that credit reports don't track full employment history, only what credit companies report. The details may be incomplete or outdated, but can help jog your memory. Visit annualcreditreport.com to get 1 free credit report each year, the only FTC-authorized site. While less detailed than SSA or IRS records, it's free and useful, especially since employers may review it when considering you for a job. Contact all 3 major credit reporting agencies to review and correct your reports. Employment details vary. Experian lists your last employer and job, while TransUnion may include current and past employers with limited dates. You can request removal of information if needed. And playing detective. Search online for old resumes or biographical info by entering your full name and variations with locations you've lived. Look for documents or posts that show your work history or jog your memory, such as old social media mentions of coworkers. Look through old emails or archived accounts and search work-related keywords to find references to past employers. Check old contact lists on your phone or computer for numbers of former managers, coworkers, or workplaces that may help recall past jobs. Talk to friends and family who may remember jobs you've forgotten, like a summer job, and can share details that jog your memory. Thanks for watching.